The National People's Party improved performance, this time in which it has emerged as the single largest party in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly 2023. Prominent leaders like Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, President Tinsong, Amperine Lingdo, Wailat Miki Shilas, Ngau Bhalangdhar and others have won this election. However, in a setback, the NPP did not win in Dadingre constituency, in which former Minister James P.K. Sangma lost to Rupa Marak of TMC. Conrad Sangma thanked people for showing faith in the NPP and said that a decision about a post-poll alliance will be taken soon.
Leaders baru jangka National People's Party keletishkom dibatu tiap dem.
I, returning officer for the 12th Convoy SP Assembly.
Thank the people of the state for having voted for our party. We're very thankful to them, and of course we are short a few numbers, so we will just wait for the final results to come out.
The new entrant into Meghalaya